Howdy, King Swabber Knoffer. I finally saved up for my job at the Haunted Artifacts Museum. Today's the day I get my very own pickup truck.
You? Driving? You do have a license, right?
Of course I do. Passed the Ghost DMV with flying colors. Pedals ain't a problem. I just use the old tail fin.
That was a long walk.
Howdy, gentlemen. I'm Rick Turbo. Looking for power, grit, and a little charm?
Looking for something that says Billy Bob.
It looks like it says, tow me.
And she's yours. No refunds, cash up front, no haunting the previous owner. Sign here.
I can't believe this is actually happening.
She's all mine.
I'm not sure this is street legal.
Never thought I'd own a truck. Took a lot of late nights at the museum, but I saved every ghost penny.
That normal?
It's just her saying howdy. She's a beaut, ain't she? Now, King Swabber Knoffer and CJ the artist told me I ought to tell y'all something. Like and subscribe, I think it was. Don't rightly know what sorcery that is, but if tapping that little thumbs up helps keep this magic picture contraption humming, then by golly, give it a good whack. And go on and subscribe your name to the town ledger or whatever y'all do nowadays.